Poco M6 Pro is a 5G-only device. That's because it's powered by the Helio G99 chipset, which in this case has been tuned specially for Xiaomi and is called the Helio G99 Ultra. The Poco M6 Pro ships in a well-stocked package with a 67W charger, a USB cable, and a case. Where the 5G-only Poco M6 Pro shines over its 5G-ready counterpart is in the display. The new phone has an AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate to the older one's 90Hz LCD. The Poco M6 Pro boots MIUI 14, but will get bumped up to Xiaomi's HyperOS shortly. The device has a subtle dual-toned finish that adds style to an otherwise simple plastic back. Launch. Announced 2024, January 11th. Status. Available. Released 2024, January 12th. Body. Dimensions. 161.1 by 75 by 8 mm, 6.34 by 2.95 by 0.31 in. Weight. 179 g, 6.31 ounces. Build. Glass front, Gorilla. Display. Type. AMOLED, 120 Hz, 1000 nits, HBM, 1300 nits, peak. Size. 6.67 inches, 107.4 square centimeters, 88.9% screen-to-body ratio. Resolution. 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, 395 ppi density. Protection. Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Platform. OS. Android 13, MIUI 14, planned upgrade to Android 14, HyperOS.